Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your birth date on Olymp Trade. To change your birth date on Olymp Trade, first of all, launch open the Olymp Trade application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged in, go ahead and click on the human icon at the top left corner from the home page. Now, you'll end up in this profile section where you'll need to click Settings at the bottom. Once you end up in the Settings page, click on Personal Information at the top. Once you're inside the Personal Information tab, go to Date of Birth tab and then go ahead and make your necessary edits. Change your date of birth from the menu and click on Confirm. Now click the Save button and you will be able to change your date of birth right away in just a few simple steps. So that's how you easily change your date of birth on Olymp Trade application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.